Maithori ma murimi wa macani agikaya thogora wa banga mutieku hari magetha ma KTDA ma kugirika kumana na thirikari kunyita mbaru murugamo wa KTDA hari marihi ma magetha mao. Arimi makoretwo magicakaya thogora muru KTDA magikuruhania na kugwa gwa thogora uyu thoko-ini ciothe cia thi.
Well aware that there have been issues with KTDA regarding bonuses, but also at the same time that most of the farmers have threatened to uproot their tea. And they're doing this because over time, the amount of bonus has been going down. So they don't, in their own opinion, they don't get value for what they are producing. And this has been occasioned by the slumping of global, prices of global tea market, of global the prices of tea in the global market. That is something that is not in anybody's control as of now. And this has also affected the price at which the tea auction areas in Mombasa can be gotten from. So those combination of factors have actually led to farmers not getting sufficient dividends or bonuses for their tea.
Oguna no aheanite mukana kuri atongoria aria makoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere wa gutetera arimi akiuga ati makoretwo magikungio teti ndereti-ini no undu uria utagiriire.
Now it is unfortunate therefore that some of these issues are being used by certain individuals for political reasons. And as government we wish to caution them not to politicize issues that are not in anyone's control. However, we'll be able to do everything possible to ensure that farmers are able to get good prices for their tea.
KTDA mwenene wao ni marekeria ripoti ya iguru rigi marihi maya makiuga ati thogora ucio niguo wagiriire makiuga muingi ukiretwo kimobanirira kumana na ndeto cia muhuhu itari njikire mukonde. Oho KTDA gathigatithia bata wa gucenjeria mwenderia wa macani kuma macani mairu nginyagia macani ma orthodox nigetha gwitiria mahinda marito. Handu-ini ha metha ya wonjoria ya Kameme TV njitikaga njuguna wang'ang'a.